Ikwa na naman ng CLMA Pampanga chapter ing panyambut king Mimosa Gold rematch ay di balita.
Matagumpeneng inuli ning Central Luzon Media Association o CLMA Pampanga chapter ing Crystal Championship Trophy kay bat simbot ing Mimosa team king karelang friendly golf rematch inyang September 30 king Mimosa Golf Driving Range. May ibabo keti ring individual players. Ichiki kakal ning RW 95.1 FM ing may kasungkit king first place tikyan niting Paulo G. Santos ning CLTV 36 para king second place. Ate Christopher Espino naman ning Newsline para king katlong pwesto. Pero higit pa king laban, may ginyang pa mikatago ning torneo pang pasiknangan ning camaraderie ning media community kayabe ing karelang business partners. Agpangkareng organizers kapag nasaning friendly competition ning isulong ing wellness, sportsmanship at fellowship, andyan pang off-duty pa mo, iba't king newsroom.
Today is actually the second time that we do media versus Mimosa. It's actually the rematch. Since Mimosa won the first time, we hope that the media will win the second time. I'm sure they have a good chance because they've been practicing. But we would like to also show you that now we have opened our driving range where we have the light and we are open until 11 p.m. every day. We do have the night golf as well. So we think that now we have a complete product to be able to play in the evening.
Inari ing aldo king meto nga dinner reception asinadya ning Mimosa Golf Course at Quest Plus Conference Center nung nukarin pakilala na naman rin ba yung menu offerings. Pasalamat naman ning CLMA Pampanga king suporta ning Mimosa Golf at Quest Plus.
Napakahalaga kasi unang-una dahil alam naman natin yung mga nakarang araw, nakarang linggo, napaka-tensyonado ng mga issues na lumalabas sa balita. Kaya tamang-tama lang na magkaroon tayo ng break, maglabas tayo ng energy, mas produktibo to dahil may camaraderie. Magandang pagkakataon to.